Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about redox reaction. Okay, what is redox reaction? We get many reactions in chemistry. Okay, among them, which reaction will be called redox reaction? Okay, so we shall discuss today in this video about redox reaction. So, you see, redox reaction is nothing but the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. Then that reaction will be called redox reaction. That is, if oxidation and reduction take place at the same time, then the reaction will be called redox reaction. Okay, that is, if we take any reaction and the reaction is happening, then in that reaction, if both oxidation and reduction take place, then that reaction will be called redox reaction. Okay, so oxidation and reduction should be take place at the same time, that is simultaneously, then only that reaction will be called redox reaction, otherwise not. Okay, now first of all you have to know what is oxidation and reduction, then only you will able to understand what is redox reaction. Okay, so first we shall discuss about oxidation and reduction, then we shall move to again redox reaction. Okay, so there are many processes from which we can know that the substance is oxidized. Similarly, there are many processes from which we can know the substance is reduced, that is reduction take place. Okay, so we shall discuss the processes one by one for reduction and oxidation, then we shall again move to redox reaction. Okay, so now see the process. Before that, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I shall upload my new video. Okay, so now let us begin the video. So oxidation may be defined as the process where one or more of the following take place. Okay, as I have already told you, there are many processes from which we can know that the substance is oxidized or oxidation take place. Okay, so now we shall discuss the processes one by one. Okay, so number one process is this, that is addition of oxygen to a substance. If in a given substance oxygen is added, then that substance is oxidized. Okay, that is, if we take any substance and in that substance if oxygen is added, then that substance will be oxidized. Okay, that is, if we take carbon and in that carbon if we add oxygen, that is plus O2, if we add oxygen to this carbon, then it will form CO2. Okay, so here oxygen is added in this substance, that is in carbon. Okay, so in this case this carbon is oxidized. Okay, oxidized. So from this we can say that oxidation take place. Okay, so this is number one point. If you see in any reaction that the oxygen is added to a substance, that you will know that the substance is oxidized. Okay, so now come to number 2 point. Number 2 point is that removal of hydrogen from a substance. That is, if we remove hydrogen from any substance, that substance will also be oxidized. Okay, this is one of the process. That is, if we take HCl and if this is divided into two parts separately, that is hydrogen and chlorine, we have to balance this. Then here we have to multiply 2, then only in both sides this reaction will be balanced. So here see, in this substance, that is HCl, hydrogen has removed, okay, from this substance. Hydrogen and chlorine is divided into two parts. That is, from that substance hydrogen can be separated. So in this case also oxidation take place. Okay, that is HCl is oxidized. Okay, this is one of the process. If we take any substance and in that substance if hydrogen is removed, then that substance will be oxidized. Okay, now come to the number 3 point. Number 3 point is that increase the oxidation number of a substance. That is, if the oxidation number of any substance increases, then that substance will be oxidized. Okay, now you see Fe dipositive gives Fe triple positive plus 1 electron. You see, first you have to know what is oxidation number. Oxidation number is nothing but the charge of the substance. Here you see the charge of Fe is plus 2. So this is the oxidation number, and in the product form you see the charge of Fe is plus 3. So this is the oxidation number. You see in the left side, that is in the reactant, oxidation number of Fe is plus 2, but in the product form the oxidation number of Fe is plus 3. So obviously the oxidation number increases from plus 2 to plus 3. Okay, so here also oxidation has taken place. Okay, because oxidation number increases from plus 2 to plus 3. Okay, so if you see any reaction that the oxidation number of any substance increases, then in that reaction oxidation take place. Okay, so this is number 3 point. Now come to the number 4 point. The number 4 point is that removal of electron from a substance. That is, in any substance electron is removed, then that substance will be oxidized. Okay, so if we take this zinc substance, that is zinc metal, and if we apply ionization energy in this zinc metal, then this zinc will lose 2 electron. That is, if zinc lost 2 electron, that zinc will acquire plus 2 charge. That is, if 2 electron loss, then the charge will be plus 2, okay, and plus 2 electron. That is, zinc has lost plus 2 electron, okay. So if any substance lose electron or removal of electron take place, then that substance will be oxidized, okay. Here so zinc is oxidized, because zinc lose 2 electron, okay. So these are the process from which we can know that oxidation take place, okay. Now come to the processes of reduction. So reduction may be defined as the process where one or more of the following take place, okay. So for reduction also some process are there from which we can know that the substance has been reduced, okay. So you see, the number one process is removal of oxygen from a substance, okay. You see, in the oxidation, addition of oxygen to a substance, if addition of oxygen is taken place, then the substance will be oxidized, and in the reduction, if removal of oxygen taken place, then the substance will be reduced, okay, just opposite. So if any substance the removal of oxygen is taken place, then the substance will be oxidized, okay. So if we take zinc oxide, here oxygen is present, so if we heat zinc oxide, then zinc and oxygen will be divided separately, okay. So you first balance this. If we multiply by 2 in left side, then the number of oxygen atom in the left side and in the right side is same, and we have to balance the number of zinc atom also. So here we have to multiply 2 also. So you see, now from this substance, that is zinc oxide, oxygen is removed. You see, zinc is separately and oxygen has been separated from this zinc oxide, okay. So this is one of the process. If oxygen is removed, then the substance will be reduced, okay. So here zinc oxide is reduced. Now come to number 2 point. Number 2 point is that addition of hydrogen to a substance, that is, in any substance, if hydrogen is added, then that substance will be reduced, okay. So you see, if we take iodine I2, and if we add hydrogen to this substance, that is iodine H2, then gives us hydrogen iodide, okay. We have to balance this. If we multiply by 2 here, then this reaction is balanced. So if hydrogen is added in any substance, then that substance will be reduced, okay. So here I2 is reduced, okay. So this is the number 2 point. Now come to number 3 point. So number 3 point is that decrease the oxidation number of a substance, okay. That is, the oxidation of a substance is decreases then the substance will be reduced. Okay, so if we take this one SN4 positive, and this SN4 positive will be reduced to SN dipositive. Okay, that is this SN4 positive takes 2 electrons or accept 2 electrons, then this charge will be +2. Okay, and here 2 electron, because it accepts 2 electrons. Okay, so now you see in the left side, that is in the reactant form, the oxidation number of SN is +4. Oxidation number, as I have already told you, in oxidation number is nothing but the charge of the species. Okay, so here oxidation number is +4, but in the product form you see the oxidation number of SN is +2. So here oxidation number decreases. Okay, so that's why this SN is reduced, because oxidation number decreases. Okay, so this is the number 3 point. Now come to the fourth point. Fourth point is that gain of electron to a substance. Okay, means if any substance takes electron or accept electron, that substance will be reduced. Okay, so you see, if we take copper dipositive and this copper takes 2 electron or accept 2 electron, okay, then this copper dipositive will become copper. Okay, so this copper gain 2 electron, so that's why this copper dipositive is reduced. Okay, so these are the processes from which we can know that the substance can be reduced. Okay, so now come to the our main topic about redox reaction. Okay, so we have known oxidation and reduction. Okay, so now you see redox reaction. The reaction in which both oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously are called redox reaction. Okay, as I have already discussed. Okay, now let us take one example. If we take this reaction, SN4 positive plus Fe dipositive gives SN dipositive plus Fe triple positive. Okay, now you see the reaction. Okay, for SN4 positive, you see the oxidation number of SN is +4 in the reactant form, but in the product form the oxidation number of SN is +2. That is, the oxidation number of SN decreases. Okay, from +4 to +2. Okay, so we have known when oxidation number decreases, then the substance will be reduced. So in this case, since the oxidation number of SN is decreases from +4 to +2, then SN is reduced in this case. Okay, SN4 positive is reduced. Okay, now you see the Fe iron. The oxidation number of Fe is +2 in the reactant form, but in the product form oxidation number of iron is +3, that is oxidation number increases from +2 to +3. Okay, so in this case iron, that is Fe, is oxidized because oxidation number increases from +2 to +3. Okay, so Fe dipositive is oxidized. Okay, so now you see in this reaction both oxidation and reduction take place at the same time, that is when SN4 positive get reduced and at the same time Fe dipositive get oxidized. Okay, so both oxidation and reduction take place in this reaction simultaneously, so that's why this reaction will be called redox reaction. Okay, so this reaction is redox reaction. Okay, this is all about redox reaction. I think redox reaction is clear, and also the term oxidation and reduction is clear. So see you on my next video with a new topic. Thank you for watching.